Hello guys, welcome back to my world of programming. My name is Tumitladi, and yes, there's a video that I made on the agenda. We were talking about the loading or base indicator on SPDonNet Core MVC, and now we're going to talk about notifications or alert messages. It's something that's very helpful. Like I said, I'm all about the interactivity on the UI, especially for the end user, right? And all of this later on tonight, I'm going to make it 3 videos on mobile application, right? Stay tuned for that. We're going to talk about base indicator view, connectivity view, and messages or toaster system. For now, let's go to notifications and alert messages. So before we continue, please do check this YouTube channel. You find it very helpful, I know. And all the videos that I'm currently making right now regarding license handy tips, right? I'm uploading them on YouTube. There you will watch them uninterrupted, right? So I have my web application running because we need it to make use of it. And let's go to the Visual Studio. So what do I need to talk about? Let's quickly go to the views. Remember, this is MVC, SPDonNet Core MVC Web application. I want us to go to shared and layout file, right? What are we looking for is this guy. What I'm using, it's called the Toast R. I've been using this one for years, from 2018. So I'm looking to the CDN that's already out there, meaning I can work with this guy only in when I have connectivity, internet connectivity, because it needs to go and pull what the style sheet, right? So this is me referencing it. So this is style sheet for Toast R. If you scroll down, there is, I believe, let's see, Toast R, the JavaScript implementation of it, the CDN, but there's a JS, right? That's the only thing I need, and I'm using the latest, of which that's what I love. And then I have the actual implementation of a Toast R system. So it's a JavaScript, right? Script, and then we have a function. Then I have a 3 lookup variables. I have the type of the alert, I have the title, and I have the message. And then I have a temp data. It's a powerful property in MVC that can hold the temporary values if you provide the key. So for the key, it's going to be alert type, alert title, and alert messages. All of them are strings. It's going to check the type. If the type is not null, so this I put it globally so that it gets to be reused multiple times throughout the entire web application. Please note that it's on the layout, and that's how powerful it is. So this guy, it's what I need. If the type is not empty, remember this is a string, right? It's not empty. That means there is something there. That's how I've engineered this guy. And then I'm gonna say if the type is success, it's gonna show the success, or if the type is error, it's gonna show the error. If the type is info, it's gonna show the info. Else if, or lastly, the type it's warning is gonna show that. So do you see we can still use if, else, if in JavaScript, right? So I have different types of alerts or notifications: success, error, info, warning, right? So let me just use example of success. If the message is not now, that means we do have the message that we want to show to the user. Then I'm just using this. Listen, toast r.success. I'm gonna pass in the message, title, and the options. So the message is gonna come from, I'll show you where it's gonna come from, and the title, but these are the options. Close button, yes. Debug, we're not doing this in debug. Newest on top, true. Progress bar, true. Position class, toast bottom, right? You see that. Prevent duplicate, false. On click, null. When you click, nothing should happen. Show duration, 300 milliseconds. Hide duration after 1 second. Timeout after 7 seconds. Extended timeout, 3 seconds. Show easing, swing. Hide easing, linear. Show method fade in, hide method fade out. So all of them are using the same options. What's unique is just gonna be the message and the title that goes into it. All right, so you've seen this, right? So how do I make use of this? First, let me show that a live demo. So I'm gonna go to what should we play with? Let's play with something different. No, but this is gonna trigger push notification to be sent, and I don't want that. Let's play with the feedbacks, but I can't add the feedbacks. I want something I can add. Okay, let's go back to tags. Right, so I'm gonna add the tag, right? And then I want you to pay attention to what's gonna appear here at the bottom right. Firstly, I'm just gonna hit save. We've covered this in the previous video. There's a busy indicator, right? We've covered that. This is something I want to show you. This guy. You see, when I hover, I'm stopping it so I can read the message. So number one, the type is a warning, right? The type of file is a warning, and then this is the title that says warning message. Number two, this is there's a title, and there's an actual message that says issue. There's an issue. The tag could not be added. Below is where you need to fix it. You see it says what? Below, it's where you need to fix, and you can dismiss it, and it shows you the warning type of icon. I love it. And then it's I love that the design, and it shows the progress bar, because that's what I said. Then let's say I type in something that says Tutoring is the best, right? And then I still, you see, because it required what is something there, and I still hit save. You give it a couple of seconds. It's still, now this time it shows a different type of message. It says there's an issue still. The tag needs a topic, so please select one. So this is something that will notify you to say, oh, this tag that you want to add, it needs what? A topic. So select a topic. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say, let's say this is driving lessons, for example, and I'm gonna hit save. Now pay attention to as to this time what's gonna appear. This time the color is different, the icon is different, the title is different. It says success, and then the actual message says succeeded. You have added tag to Tutoring is the best. Exactly what I want to show, right? So let's quickly go and then edit. Let's say I edit this guy and say period, and then put an exclamation mark there, and I hit what? Save. What is gonna show this time? Quickly. Again, success message. You have what? Edited topic, and then it takes, what I love about this, you see I've made some changes and added period, because that's how I've done it. Okay, so how does this work? Let me quickly delete this. We won't need it. Delete. No man, delete. I said delete, not edit. Delete. Yes, and then we're still expecting, it says you have deleted the tag. Tutoring is the best, and it's gone. So how do you now make use of this? So you'll quickly go to the controller, tips, text controller. So I'm gonna close all of these. I'm not gonna need them, and then so that I can show you quickly. So I have helper methods, right? Helper methods. So one of the methods, the main method that you need to pay attention is going to be show toast R message. This is the key, because this is where now I dump data in a temp data property. Remember, for that key other type, I pass in the type that comes in. I pass in the title for other title. I pass in the message. So this is going to be the key thing. And then for success that you saw, right? It's a helper method that expects a string action, and then the name and the value. So when it says success, it says success, which is what? The type. This is what? It's the title. It's going to come here, which is success message. And it says using string interpolation, succeeded. You have an action will be add or edited. Added or whatever, and then this is the value, right? So let's quickly show with the add, where we submit that. There we go. So alert success, I pass in, which is what? The action is added. What did I add? The tag, and then what is the actual value. So I also do this for if there are any exceptions. You see, if there are exceptions, there's alert danger. It says this one, sorry, we could not add it there. We could not submit the ad at the moment. Please try again. So danger also has only this guy with the alert type. The type is going to